In this video, we are approaching halfway of our tutorial series, and now we're going to turn the points that we created in the previous tutorial into a heat map. So it's simple. We're going to come here, the random points layer that we created. We're going to press in this little icon here, styling panel, and then we have this panel here. And what we're going to do, we're going to go to this dropout menu and select heat map. As you can see, you have this kind of weird, ugly black heat map there. So we can change. Perhaps in your QGIS right now, you're seeing something like this, right? Not even the back layer. What you can do, you can either change the opacity here or changing the blending mode. I recommend changing the blending mode for either darken or multiply. And now you can edit the colors that we're gonna do with your heat map. Perhaps maybe something red will look more interesting. You can see it kind of does. We also can edit that scale that we selected. Let's say we want to go like to a typical coming from blue, going to green, getting to yellow maybe, until we start to going red. That looks interesting. Let's see how it will look in the map. Yeah, looks interesting. Maybe choose a more vibrant color here. Maybe get rid of this one. Can delete the spot here. We can move those colors, those stops. Maybe you can get rid of this one as well. Let's see how many slots we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe we can get rid of either one more. Maybe we can delete this one and give this one like the typical red one, and maybe create more uniform spaces like 20 and 40%, and this one you're gonna put 60%, and this one 80%. Let it more uniform. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, it looks fun. And as you can see, as we're approaching, the dots gonna get more sparse, and as far as can go, pretty much only can see the very concentrated area around Greater Melbourne, and then if you zoom in, you can start to see the other points, and you can see perhaps the local government areas where it is more concentrated. We have Melbourne City or Tonton quite concentrated. So very interesting how that looks. So for the next tutorial, we're gonna keep analyzing the density of the cases of coronavirus, but in this case, we're gonna use data. We're gonna have the number of cases compared to the area, the actual number values for the areas of those local government areas. Okay, so see you in the next tutorial.